Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TROV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, helps really kind of making a tricky chart a little more straightforward. And I say tricky because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're a day trader and you bought right there or you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 20 minutes after buying, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough right now. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, then yeah, I'm well aware that the price has pulled back from its highs. But from the big picture, the price does still have an opportunity to build a higher base. And when you have higher bases being built over longer periods of time, that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. I'm going to be talking about things from a big picture perspective. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you just had a much different strategy and perspective going into the trade. And the main reason, or the main area that all this revolves around, and the main reason why I can still sit here and call this bullish even after the pullback today, has to do with this level down here at 35 cents. Why is 35 cents important? Well, I'm not saying this will happen. Let's just say that the price tomorrow pulls back down, and maybe over the next couple of days just hovers around this area before starting to work its way back upwards. Now, from emphasis on big picture, from the big picture perspective, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, the big picture stair steps would still very clearly be going in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see going forward. You just want a price to be making progress, and in this case, I'm defining and quantifying progress as 35 cents. So sure, the price is pulled back today, but think about that word, today. That's 1 day. Looking at multiple days as we're doing here, the bulls still have a chance to build that higher base, and that's definitely priority number one. And also why I'm not even going to bother talking about resistance levels right now, because top priority, not even close to being breaking levels of resistance. It's all about going through healthy consolidation and building a higher base. And again, I'm defining quote-unquote healthy consolidation as staying up above 35 cents, so we'll see if the bulls can get the job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.